In 1939, Townsville City Council transferred the city airport to the Royal Australian Air Force, and RAAF Base Townsville was formed in 1940. The base's motto is Guard the North. In 1942, it played a critical role in the Battle of the Coral Sea, a decisive turning point in the war in the Pacific. At one point, Townsville was one of the largest US Air Force bases outside the US. Today, over 7,500 ADF servicewomen and men are based in Townsville. RAAF Townsville is home to the Army's No. 5 Aviation Regiment, which operates the MRH-90 and Chinook helicopters. And the Combat Survival Training School also calls Townsville home, which conducts survival, evasion, resistance and escape training for all Australian Defence Force aircrew who are required to complete a 15-day survival course. $45 million has been budgeted in redevelopment to support the F-35A Lightning II and P-8A Poseidon operations. Then, now, always. RAAF Townsville, guarding the North and proudly supporting their local community.